Well, a lot of people are talking about this video from The Verge on how to build a gaming PC for $2,000. Now, this is their statement that from The Verge when they said this. Last week, The Verge published a video on how to build a gaming PC. Today, we're pulling that video off our YouTube and Facebook pages because it contains some minor factual errors that in some do not meet our editorial standards. I also want to reiterate, sorry if I can't pronounce it right, that The Verge has zero tolerance for internet harassment campaigns, and that we will automatically disregard any feedback that appears to be in bad faith or part of such a campaign. As many of you know, we are happy to engage openly with our audience across our platforms, but over the weekend, multiple people on our staff have been subject to a wave of attacks, including hundreds of racist attacks on our host of our video. We simply do not listen to feedback that associates with these campaigns or the people who direct such campaigns. We eventually make another video on how to build a PC. It will be good. See you out there. Now, a lot of people have been talking about that video because, yes, there were a lot of mistakes, but I don't really, have a problem with the skin color of the person in the video. But the problem is, they're making it into an issue about the fact that, oh yeah, some African American demonstrated how to build a PC, which this is nothing new because I seem to recall there was a YouTuber that did this. Let me look him up because I seem to recall this PC, because he's such a nice guy. I really recommend you check him out because he seems to do a lot of good videos about PC. Let's see, if I remember, Chinese graphics card, because I remember he actually did a review on this, and he actually explained some of the issues with the PC. Let me see if I can find him. If I remembered correctly, he was such a nice guy. Really positive, though, because he actually, here he is. This is the guy, OzTalksHW. Now,
what's going on, everyone? It's Ozzy from OzTalksHW, and over the last few years, a lot of Chinese technology brands have migrated their way over to the American market.
Now, this guy, I recommend you follow this guy. He's such a nice and positive guy. He always talks about PC building, and he's such a big enthusiast on PC building. This is the guy you probably should talk to because he's such a really good example of a guy who knows his stuff about PC building. Now, a lot of people talk about this stuff and say that's racism, but this guy has like 1,042K subscribers. Now, I recommend you follow this guy, because I remember watching his videos, and I should really subscribe to this guy because he's such a very positive guy. He would tell you about the Chinese market and everything of graphics cards and why they're so cheap and everything, or is it worth building. Now, he does a lot of reviews on these graphics cards and everything, and it's such an interesting stuff to talk about when he talks about technology. Now, the thing about this is that The Verge really, really messed up, and there was a lot of criticism about The Verge. Now, you can see there were a lot of PC builders that were making fun of The Verge on the whole thing. Now, let me see, Verge PC building reaction. Now, you can see right here, there were a bunch of people that have talked about this video and the mistakes that were made in the video. Now, you can see right here, this is Jimmy.
Good.
You can see right here, this is Jimmy Neutron. Jerry Neutron, because he actually makes PC builds for a living too. and he actually does a lot of tech reviews. Now, a lot of people point out a lot of stuff that he realized this guy made a big mistake in the video. So, is this racism for a black dude to react to a black dude and realize that the black dude made a mistake? I don't know. You tell me, Verge. You can see right here, he reacted to how this happened, because Jerry Neutron is another YouTuber who's like 15,000K, well liked, by the way, and he talks about the Verge's video and he reacted on how they built the PC. Now, is that racism for you, Verge? A black dude reacted to a black dude building a PC the wrong way because the black dude pointed out in the video that the black dude did it all wrong. Now, how does that work, Verge? I don't know, because another black dude, let's see what another... Oh, it's an Asian dude that reacted to this whole thing and realized that the guy did it all wrong too. An Asian dude! Is that racism right there? I don't know, Verge. You tell me. How racist can this be? Because I'm just telling you, Verge, this is racism. Conspiracy shit. I just exposed it. Oh my god, I did. I just did. My god. Anyways, guys, leave your comments down below. This is some crazy ass shit. Because I gotta go, because this is just ridiculous.